I nearly got scammed, but here's how it turned out. I got a request to design some decorations for a little girl's birthday party using any style that I wanted. Unfortunately, it turned out to be a billionaire scam. But I was excited about the project regardless, and my niece's birthday was coming up, so I decided to do the decorations for her instead. My niece is obsessed with Dora right now, so I started by drawing her in an illustration style similar to Dora. Then I started designing the decorations. What's a party without a banner? I followed this with designs that could be used for things like labels or cake toppers, and finished with a personalized map and Dora themed activities. Leave a comment if you want to know more about those. Now I can happily say that we have a satisfied client. But this is how. This is part 2 of how I nearly got scammed. Sorry it took a while, but life was lifing. Part 1 was all about the party decorations, so check that out if you haven't seen it already. But no party is complete without games and activities, so that's what we'll be focusing on in this video. We'll stick with the Dora theme for these games, and since my niece is 2 years old, we want them to be educational and engaging. Each game will represent a character and an element of the party. One activity that I loved from Dora was the star pocket, so we'll design one of those. So just like Dora, she can go on her own adventure collecting stars for completing the different activities. Let's add some coloring pages to help with her fine motor skills, creativity, and imagination. I really love the way everything turned out. So what was your favorite part? Yep, I like that one too.